Understanding the phrase, ground game, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, ground game. You might have heard it in sports, politics, or everyday conversation. But what does it really mean? Let's find out together. When we hear the phrase, ground game, the first thing to consider is its literal meaning. In sports like football or rugby, a ground game refers to strategies focused on running plays on the ground, as opposed to passing the ball through the air. It's about advancing through physical, direct tactics rather than aerial or more strategic plays. Interestingly, ground game has also found a home in political jargon. In politics, a ground game refers to the grassroots strategies used by candidates and parties to connect with voters directly. This can include door-to-door canvassing, community meetings, and local campaigning. It's all about physical presence and direct contact rather than just advertisements or digital campaigns. Beyond these fields, ground game can be used metaphorically in various contexts. If someone says, "Our company needs to improve its ground game," they mean enhancing real-world, practical efforts, like customer service or face-to-face interactions. It's about focusing on the fundamental, hands-on aspects of any operation or activity. When using the phrase, ground game, remember it implies a focus on basic, practical strategies rather than abstract or high-level plans. It's a versatile phrase but works best when talking about tactics, strategies, or efforts in a practical, down-to-earth manner. There you have it, folks. Ground game is a dynamic phrase with applications in sports, politics, and beyond, emphasizing direct, practical actions and strategies. We hope this video has enriched your English vocabulary and understanding. Don't forget to practice using ground game in your conversations. See you in the next video, and keep learning.